Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. As you can tell from the title of this video, I am going to be showing you guys some fun dynamics you can do on dance trapeze or static trapeze. Just some safety precautions real quick. Make sure to have safe equipment and a crash mat beneath you. Don't attempt any of the skills I show in this video without the supervision of your dance trapeze or static trapeze coach. And you should have some basic skills already, such as beats in armpits / crucifix positions, ankle catch, back hip circle, and elbow circles. And as always, don't do anything that does not feel right in your body. Make sure to listen to your body because that's the best way, or one of the best ways, to keep from getting injured. So first, I'm going to be showing you guys this fun trick. It is beats from armpits into a back hip circle, and you land right into a front balance like that. So you're going to start with a force out. You're going to want to keep that front beat pretty hollow so that your hips don't sink, so you're able to follow that momentum and tuck over the bar. And then from there, it's pretty easy to just land on the bar and go up into your front balance. So see, I'm keeping decently hollow. If your hips sink, that's going to break your momentum, and it's just going to be really difficult to get over. You're going to end up in some kind of catcher's lock. So here it is one more time. Ta-da! And then some things to note are, make sure you're keeping your shoulders supported with your muscles and you're not just hanging by your armpits. So really use your muscles in your core and back to press up on the bar. And then make sure to maintain a good form in those beats, of course. This front balance to ankle catch is one of my favorite tricks. And once you get the hang of it, it is very fun. So you are going to want to take baby steps when you start this, and it's really important to note the type of grip you need to have. So if you want to turn to your right, which is what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold at the top of the leather with my right hand and then have a reversed grip on the bar right next to the rope with my left hand. And then you can just start by popping up and twisting to your knee hang. You really want to get as much height as possible, so it's really important to practice that pop. So you're going to do a little tempo, down, up, and then once you feel like you got the knee hang, you can go to your ankle catch and slowly lower. And then once all that is put together in your body, you can do the full thing. But be careful with this one because you are, falling with your head towards the ground. So just some notes, don't go for the full trick right away. Definitely use the progressions I demonstrated, such as using the tempo and then popping up and turning to your knees, and then going to your ankle catch and lowering, and then doing the full thing once you're comfortable with that. And then make sure to use that tempo to get enough height to turn, because if you don't, the trick just really isn't going to work the same, and you really need that height to properly turn and do the trick full out. So make sure you're using that tempo and then turning your body while you're in the air. All right, so last but not least, I want to show you guys crucifix beats into elbow circles. So you're going to start with about 2 to 3 crucifix beats, and at the height of the last beat, you are going to switch into that elbow circle position with your arms, and then you're going to use that momentum you created in the beats to continue into an elbow circle sequence or whatever you want to do from there. So you are going to want the bar in your beats and your elbow circles about where the band of your sports bra would be on your back if you wear sports bras. But if you don't have that reference, you want the bar about just above your mid back, I would say. And if you really don't feel comfortable doing this from the beats yet, you can just practice your elbow circles. That's just the basic way I get into it if I'm just practicing. And yeah, so here are some notes. So first of all, make sure to keep your form in your beats, even if that back beat has to be a little bit more arched. Make sure to keep that hollow in the front beat. And at the front / top of that front beat, you're going to want to add a little pull up because that is going to create the space you need to get into the elbow circles. Make sure to support your shoulders with your muscles like I talked about with that first trick I showed, because you don't want to be landing with all your body weight onto your shoulder joints, because that's just bad for you. And then this trick really isn't as scary as it might seem. It seems a little bit nerve-wracking at first, but once you do it, it is not as bad as it seems. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any video requests, don't hesitate to comment them down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.